doing a little cleanup on a more maple forest that we put together a while back. And I have a bunch of buttress budding from the roots coming up and some leaves and other debris. Also, there's that fine line of cutting back and not getting it to bleed. We're about at that point, so I got to hurry up and finish. So I'm going to cut back a little bit on this and take off some suckers that we don't need. And then I'll post, it looks good already, but I'll post a picture when we're all done. Just like a regular bonsai tree, there is a front and a back. However, we don't call it a front and a back. We call it a near view or a far view. What you're looking at right now is a far view. And if I was to turn this, and that tree is further in the front, that's called a near view. My whole goal today was just to do a little cleanup, a little bit of cutback, and remove the wire. Two of those branches, we added a little movement to them just to give some more life to this forest planting. All right, enjoy.